What happens during a bat inspection? Have you ever wondered what goes into a bat inspection? This process is not just about spotting bats. It is a detailed operation that ensures safety for both humans and wildlife. Let's break down what happens during a bat inspection. First, the inspection starts with a careful look at the outside of the building. Inspectors search for gaps or cracks in places like the siding, eaves, rooflines, and vents. Even small openings as tiny as 1/4 of an inch can let bats in. They also check chimneys, especially if they are uncapped, and loose fascia boards. Signs of bat activity include dark smudge marks and piles of guano, which is bat droppings, found beneath entry points. Once the exterior is examined, the focus shifts to the interior, particularly attics and other hidden spaces where bats may roost. Inspectors look for droppings, urine stains, and grease marks. Sometimes they may even spot the bats themselves. Identifying the species of bat is important because it influences the removal process. For example, if the bats are nursing pups, removal must be timed carefully to avoid harming them. After confirming bat activity and entry points, the inspector plans the exclusion process. This usually involves installing one-way exclusion devices. These devices let bats exit but keep them from coming back in. Proper placement is key, as bats have specific flight and crawling behaviors. Secondary entry points are also sealed to prevent alternative access. Following the installation of exclusion devices, a monitoring period of about 4 weeks begins. This time allows inspectors to ensure that all bats have left the building. Once confirmed, the main entry points can be sealed permanently. The final step involves cleaning and sanitizing the affected areas to remove guano and reduce health risks from spores that can cause diseases. Working in bat inspection and removal is a high-risk profession. It combines wildlife handling, pest control, and structural assessment. Inspectors wear protective gear to avoid exposure to harmful pathogens. They need to understand bat behavior and navigate confined spaces like attics safely. Just like logging, deep-sea fishing, or storm chasing, this job comes with unpredictable conditions and physical risks. So, next time you think about bats in your home, remember the detailed process that goes into ensuring a safe and effective removal. Bat inspections are not just about getting rid of bats. They are about protecting both people and wildlife.